Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today I am sharing a flavor-packed chicken tawa tikka kebab. Soft, juicy, and full of tandoori style, aroma made right on the tawa, perfect for snacks, dinner, or party plates. Take 1 cup chicken pieces. Soak with water. Add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Tawa tikka kebabs bring the tandoori style flavor without needing a tandoor. Soak for 10 minutes. Now wash well and squeeze out the water. Pat the chicken dry before marination for better coating. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons crushed onion, 2 crushed green chilies, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything well. Adding baking soda keeps the kebab soft and tender. Corn flour locks in moisture, gives a crispy outer layer. Add lemon juice at the end for the perfect tangy finish. Heat oil on medium heat. Place the chicken pieces and fry for 7 to 8 minutes. Chicken is a rich source of lean protein. Green chilies and spices support digestion and metabolism. This recipe works amazingly with fish too. Always fry on medium heat to prevent burning. Garlic boosts immunity naturally. This shallow fried version is healthier than deep fried kebabs. Fry until golden brown color. For a smoky taste, place a hot charcoal in a bowl and cover for 2 minutes. A simple, spicy and satisfying chicken tawa tikka kebab that everyone will love. Try this once and it will become your weekly favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and comment below. Tell me what kebab recipe you want next. And subscribe to Innovative Foods for more delicious homemade dishes.